What's up guys, it's JFCubing, and today I'm going to show you how to disassemble and reassemble your 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Let's get right into it. Alright, so all you really have to do is slightly rotate this top face so it looks like this, and then you want to try to grab this middle edge right here, and just try to pull it out like that. Then you should be able to take out one of the corners and another one, and just keep doing this for the rest of the top face. From there, you can kind of just wiggle the cube around and the pieces will fall out. If you want to disassemble the cube any further, for instance disassembling the core, all you're going to want to do is try to lift up one of the caps, just like that, and pop it out, and you'll notice that there is a screw on the inside, and from there you can just kind of unscrew it, until the whole piece comes out, and then you can take the screw and the spring out of the cube. However, I'm just going to put it right back in there because there's no need for me to take it out. Now if you want to put the centerpiece back on, all you have to do is put the screw in the hole of the core, and then you can screw it back in. One thing you are going to want to check though when doing this is that your tensions are all even. How I do this is I just pull two center pieces apart and see if one goes further than the other. Also, I can check to see how many little lines of the screws are poking out of the core piece. So it looks like this piece right here needs to be tightened a little more. And now they look pretty even. So what you want to do is put this center cap back on, and now you're ready to assemble the rest of the cube. So how I do it is I hold it on the white side and I just look for white edges. So here's one, and this is the white-red edge, so you want to put it in between white-red. You don't have to do this, you can put any edge in any area, but then that means afterwards you're just going to have to solve it. But I generally just like to assemble it in a solved state. So you're just going to try to pull these apart, and then you can fit the edge in between the two centers, and it should pop into place pretty easily. Now you want to find another white edge. Here's the white-orange one, and you want to put it in between white and orange. So this one should pop in pretty easily as well. And you just want to do the same for the next two edges. As you're doing this, be careful not to pop out other pieces, so if you want to insert other pieces while leaving the other ones intact, just try to hold on to them securely and they probably won't pop out. Now what you want to do is flip this white cross that we've made over here over, and you want to find white corners. So here's one, and you want to put it where it goes so you know that the colors are matching, so it needs to go here. And you can just kind of insert it in between these little holes like that. Now you want to find its edge. Here it is, and now you just want to fit it in between the two centers like before. Now you just want to do the same thing for the rest of the sides. From here, you should have assembled the first two layers of your cube. Now what you're going to want to do is just start popping in pieces from the yellow side where they should go. So for an edge, you just want to kind of pull up this yellow center and just try to pop it in there. And it should fit in pretty easily because the cube is pretty sturdy now, so it shouldn't be too hard. Now you just want to do the same thing for the rest of the edges. But be sure to leave out one, as that'll be the last piece that you'll put in. So now you just want to insert these two corners where they're supposed to go. So this one should go here. You could just kind of pop it in there, and this one should go here. Now you want to insert these two corners in the front. And then you have your final edge, and you can just pop it into place in between these two corners. And there you go. Now you should have assembled your cube, and now it should be ready to go. If you guys did enjoy the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also, be sure to turn on notifications so you'll be notified of new videos as soon as they come out. Also, I want to remind you that I still need questions for the Q&A coming very soon, so be sure to leave your questions for me down in the comments for a chance to get a shout out and have your question read in the Q&A video coming soon. Alright guys, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.